Hi, this is Freddie over at Platinum Auto World. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2006 Dodge Ram 3500 quad cab dually four-wheel drive. It is a 5.9 Cummins with 152,000 miles. Gonna go ahead and take a closer look. Very nice truck. It actually has 153 on the miles. It is a southern truck. Came from Texas. 2 owners out of Texas. They also have a spring bed liner. It is an SLT Lone Star Edition. And there it is. It's got the manual transmission in there. Gonna go ahead and start it up. It's got 153,203. It is a manual. Low, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and reverse. So there's no warning lights on the dash. Obviously the brake is set. The dash is in good shape. Very clean truck. There's no rust on it. Dash is not cracked. Interior is a cloth SLT interior. The bottoms of the doors are in good shape. Tailgate. Spring bed liner. There's no blow-by. It's a nice 6-speed Cummins truck. I mean, they're kind of hard to find. If you're in the market for a towing horse, please give us a call. Phone number is 540-898-8300. If you have Facebook or Instagram, please feel free to follow us. This truck is available now at driveplatinum.com. Thank you very much.